In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with QuickBooks Online for nonprofits. By the end, you'll understand the key setup steps so your accounting system actually matches how your organization operates and reports. First, let's talk about getting access to QuickBooks Online at a price that makes sense for a nonprofit. Many nonprofits qualify for heavily discounted subscriptions through a nonprofit technology marketplace called TechSoup. To take advantage of that, your organization needs to be recognized as a 501c3. Once you're eligible, you can register your organization on their website, browse the available QuickBooks Online offers, and choose the version that fits your needs, like Plus or Advanced. You'll usually pay a reduced annual administration fee instead of the full retail price, which can save your organization a lot of money. Once you have your subscription, the next step is configuring QuickBooks specifically for nonprofit use. Start by changing the company type so that reports and terminology line up with nonprofit standards. In QuickBooks Online, go to the gear icon for Settings, then choose Account and Settings. From there, open the Advanced tab. In the Company Type section, click the Edit icon, and from the Tax Form drop-down, select Nonprofit Organization, Form 990. Save your changes, then choose Done. It's a good idea to sign out and sign back in so the change applies everywhere in the system. While you're in the advanced settings, you can also adjust the terminology so it better reflects nonprofit operations. Under Other Preferences, click the Edit icon and look for the Customer Label drop-down. Change that label from Customers to Donors. Save and click Done. This small change makes your day-to-day work feel much more natural for a nonprofit context. This is also where you'll want to confirm your fiscal year, especially if your organization doesn't follow a January through December calendar year. Setting the correct fiscal year is essential for accurate reporting and clean year-end reports for your board and funders. Now let's move into your chart of accounts. This is the backbone of your accounting system. You'll want to customize your income accounts so you can separate different revenue types, such as individual donations, grants, and membership fees. On the expense side, create accounts that reflect your programs, management, and general and fundraising activities. This structure allows you to see exactly how resources are being used. If you're on QuickBooks Online Plus or Advanced, turn on and use Classes or Locations. Classes are great for tracking restricted versus unrestricted funds or for breaking out specific programs. Locations can be used for different sites or major initiatives. Using these tools consistently will make donor reporting, grant reporting, and your Form 990 preparation much easier. Finally, connect your bank and credit card accounts so transactions flow into QuickBooks automatically. This reduces manual data entry and helps keep your books up to date. When you record revenue, use the Pledges feature, which is essentially invoices renamed in the nonprofit context, to track promised donations. Assign each pledge or donation to the appropriate program or restriction using classes so you always know how funds should be used. To finish, configure your key reports. Set up a statement of activity, which is the nonprofit version of a profit and loss report, and a statement of financial position, which is your nonprofit balance sheet. With those in place, you'll have clear visibility into your organization's financial health and be ready to share accurate, meaningful reports with your leadership and support.